Want to sound more natural in American English? Today, you're going to practice 30 real-life English sentences people use every single morning in the USA. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your speaking naturally through shadowing practice. Ready? Let's start your morning in English. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. Repeat. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. I need to get out of bed. Repeat. I need to get out of bed. Let me turn off the alarm. Repeat. Let me turn off the alarm. I'm going to take a quick shower. Repeat. I'm going to take a quick shower. I need to brush my teeth. Repeat. I need to brush my teeth. What should I wear today? Repeat. What should I wear today? I'll go with the blue shirt. Repeat. I'll go with the blue shirt. Let me grab my keys. Repeat. Let me grab my keys. I'm running a little late. Repeat. I'm running a little late. Do I have time for coffee? Repeat. Do I have time for coffee? I'll just make a quick breakfast. Repeat. I'll just make a quick breakfast. Toast and eggs should work. Repeat. Toast and eggs should work. Let me check the weather. Repeat. Let me check the weather. It looks like it's going to rain. Repeat. It looks like it's going to rain. I should bring an umbrella. Repeat. I should bring an umbrella. Did I pack my lunch? Repeat. Did I pack my lunch? Oh, I forgot it on the counter. Repeat. Oh, I forgot it on the counter. Let me grab it real quick. Repeat. Let me grab it real quick. Where's my phone? Repeat. Where's my phone? It was in my pocket the whole time. Repeat. It was in my pocket the whole time. Okay, I'm heading out. Repeat. Okay, I'm heading out. The bus comes in 5 minutes. Repeat. The bus comes in 5 minutes. I need to hurry. Repeat. I need to hurry. Have a great day. Repeat. Have a great day. I'll text you later. Repeat. I'll text you later. Don't forget to lock the door. Repeat. Don't forget to lock the door. I'm already on my way. Repeat. I'm already on my way. Traffic is pretty bad today. Repeat. Traffic is pretty bad today. I should have left earlier. Repeat. I should have left earlier. Finally, I made it. Repeat. Finally, I made it. Now, let's practice everything together one more time, faster and more naturally, like a native speaker. Great job today. If you practiced out loud, you're already improving your American English pronunciation and fluency. Remember, the secret is daily repetition. So listen again tomorrow, shadow every sentence, and slowly, English will start feeling natural. Subscribe now for more real-life American English practice videos. Comment below, which sentence was your favorite today? And don't forget to practice speaking every single day. See you in the next lesson.